Hi, glad to see you here. I think you would like to know how to delete your Lowins account. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. All you need to do is just open up Lowins. Okay, and now you need to click on your profile icon at the top left. So let's do it. Okay, and after that, click on the gear icon right here. So the next step, click on Manage Account. And finally, we are here. So there are two buttons, delete account and already have an account. Of course, you need to click on delete account, confirm account deletion. Your account will be deactivated immediately. Your data will be deleted permanently. So you can just click on confirm. Just wait a bit and that's all. Now your account is deleted. Hope my video was clear for you and helpful. Please subscribe and like, and of course leave your comments. Thank you so much. Goodbye.